Alright, guys, work in the car now. As you can see, that's the car right there. So we're getting my tools ready. Basically, gonna check the spark plugs on this vehicle here. So yeah, I'm doing it on the trailer. So I don't have to take it off, you know, right now. So oops, that one's broken. See, they glued it. Or Alright, guys, I'm gonna take a picture for the customer so he can see, you know, just by the front of you know, the look of the spark plug in the front, you can tell they need a change. I'm gonna take a picture for the customer. So you do need spark plugs and valve cover seal replacement. See right there? You guys can see the seal squeezed out, meaning whoever installed it um, probably damaged the seal. So he needs a valve cover seal gasket replacement. So yeah, we'll let the customer know. Take a picture of that. The oil leaking down there. But yeah, I can get that done for him. Um, if he wants it done. But yeah, disconnect all of this. That way, battery don't die. I don't know if his battery dies, but we'll see. See, you can tell, you know, it's burnt out. See the exhaust coming through there, so he needs new spark plugs.